Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Public Cloud Design Tips and Tricks. In this channel, we generally discuss about public cloud design problem statement and their related solution. Today, we are going to discuss about Google Cloud Storage Transfer Service. So today's problem statement, how to transfer data from on-premise system to off-premise system and vice versa. To realize this, Microsoft Azure has Azure Migrate, AWS has AWS Storage Gateway, and Google Cloud has Google Storage Transfer Service. Now let's try to understand what do we mean by data transfer. When you are working in a hybrid cloud model, in that case you have your on-premise as well as off-premise system, and both your public cloud as well as your on-premise system, they have different data centers. When you are migrating your data centers to public cloud, in that case you have petabytes of data or legacy data which you have to move from your off-premise system to on-premise system. In that case, you can leverage the capabilities of Google Cloud Storage Transfer Service. So here the reason or the definition of Google Cloud Storage Transfer Service is, this is the service that helps you to transfer data quickly and securely between objects and file storage across Google Cloud, Amazon, Azure, on-premise and more. That means it will enable you to transfer the data from your public cloud to your on-premise system or between the public cloud system as well. It will help you to optimize your network bandwidth and accelerate transfers with scale-out performance. That means when you have huge amount of data, that during that time it will also help you to optimize your network bandwidth so that your transfer will be much more faster. Now let's try to understand the best benefits of storage transfer service. When the first benefit is enable your hybrid or multi-cloud strategy. That means being your on-premise as well as off-premise system, you will be able to send the data securely from your on-premise to off-premise via this service. It will help you to optimize infrastructure management and cost. That means when you are sending the data from your on-premise to public cloud, that means your Google storage area. In that case, the infrastructure management will be handled by Google Cloud because of the PaaS capabilities, and the cost will also get optimized based on the usage of the data you will pay. The third point is complete large-scale data transfer first. That means when you have huge amount of data that you want to transfer from your on-premise to off-premise system, that means you can use your bandwidth and also you can speed up your data transfer by the use of storage transfer service. The main key features of storage transfer service is the incremental transfer. That means when you are sending the data and you are sending again, that means it will not create a duplicate data. Rather than it will make sure the data which has already been transferred will never be transferred again. Rather than it will send the new data which has to be transferred. That is what we call it as incremental transfer, which is a quite mature functionalities of Google Cloud service. Then the metadata preservations to do your data transfer securely, and also to make sure the respected metadata has to be aligned with the data that is getting transferred. For that you need to have your metadata to be securely stored somewhere, and that is getting that is generally taken care by storage transfer service. Monitoring and logging, this is the most important part when you are interacting with your on-premise or off-premise system. That means you need to make sure your logging and monitoring, that means you need to understand your data is getting monitored properly, so that in case of any security violations or in case of any any attack, in that case the logging and monitoring will help you to to resolve that particular situation. Then security and encryption, this is also another capabilities which generally Google provides with TLS capabilities, where you can encrypt your data between the traffic and as well as you can encrypt it so that you can use the HTTPS capabilities to establish a secure channel to transfer the data. The last key features is data transfer scheduling. When we say data transfer scheduling, that means you can schedule the data to be transferred during what time. That means it could be late night, 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. or it could be early morning. So based on the time that you are going to set, Google Cloud will take care of that particular feature, and it will make sure the data will transfer during that time. So you do not have to monitor it by giving your manual interventions. Then let's try to understand where exactly this service can be utilized. So when you have a data center migration, that means you have petabytes of data that you want to transfer to Google Cloud. In that case, you can use this service. When you have your content storage and delivery management, in that case also you can use this service. You have your disaster recovery, backup and archival. That means during in case of any disaster, you want to send the data from your on-premise to system to different cloud vendors. In that case also that is possible. That means from Google to Amazon, Google to Azure, as well as Google to on-premise system, that also can be leveraged. Then analytics and machine learning. When you store the data somewhere in your storage transfer service, that means you can also use the analytics capabilities and machine learning capabilities to do the data analytics work over your data which is getting transferred. So these are all basic use cases for storage transfer service. I have gathered all this information by following this link. I would highly recommend, please go through the Google document and find out different behavior of this service, and based on your use case you can decide whether you need it or not. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and and good luck with your learning. Thank you.